was no time to say goodbye, only the sound of wings and sky. The ground behind me turned to mist, a name I lost, a life I missed. I flew through fear, through wind and flame, each breath a thread, each day the same. No nest, no branch to call my own, just sky and silence and alone. But still the bird inside me flies through haunted dreams and quiet skies. It doesn't ask the where or why, it only knows to rise, to try. Yes, the bird still flies. I heard my mother in a breeze, a memory wrapped in trembling leaves, a hand once held, a look once known, now scattered seeds, now overgrown. There are no maps for where we go, no words for wounds we never show. But even dust remembers trees, and roots can grow in foreign seas. Still the bird inside me flies through broken light and open skies. It doesn't seek a place to land, just grace enough to understand. Yes, the bird still flies. So if I fall, let it be slow, upon the wind I used to know. And if I'm never home completely, let the sky still carry me sweetly. Yes, the bird